Ctube DB2 rigid PVC conduit is designed to provide the safest protection for electrical and communication installations. Offer sizes from 2-inch to 6-inch, with color choices for gray and orange, length in 10 feet or 20 feet. Ctube DB2 rigid PVC conduit is certified to CSA standard. It has evaluated to meet industry standards of quality, performance, and safety. Ctube DB2 rigid PVC conduit using high-quality PVC materials, which has no risk of corrosion. The conduit provides high-impact strengths and resistant to compression, even exposed to extreme environmental conditions. It can maintain long-lasting performance and protect the communication systems well. Ctube DB2 rigid PVC conduit is used in concrete encased or masonry or direct burial applications. Commercial, residential, or industrial projects are always DB2 rigid PVC conduit needed application scenarios with its superior performance, durability, and versatility.